Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the colours of the tracks in Cubase. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is highlight the track that you want to change the colour of, and then go to the top of the screen, click this select colours tool, and then that opens up this list of colours, and just click on one of the colours. So I'll put both of these synths as this pink colour. I'll put this violin as this red colour. Viola I'll do the same because I want to group all of these so I can visually see that these two are synths, these two are strings. And I'll put, if you hold control and then click on different tracks, you can highlight multiple tracks and you can change the colours of them all at once. So I'll put them as blue, I'll put this bass as green, and I'll put all of these percussion instruments as yellow. If you go into these colours again and then go to project colours, you can click on one of these colours that's listed and you can change it to any colour you want here. You can also rename the colour so you know what colour that is associated to. For instance, I have all the piano instruments as blue, I have all the strings as this reddy pinky colour, I have percussion as yellow, and so on. It just helps a lot with workflow. You can get a lot more done. Like, that's a lot more easier to see all of the different sections of the instruments. So that's it for this video. If this has helped in any way, then please click like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.